Where's the other one at? Hang that somewhere.
Get it, Pa. I think open eyes.
Well, you not gonna come out, Kat?
Well, just throw it too.
It hops out, don't it? Gotten all tangled up, hasn't it, Polly?
Oh no!
It'll come back in.
There. Look at it. Polly.
She's got this one.
Mother,
It went into the chair. Ooh, here it comes.
Hey, look, Mama, they're fighting.
It's like little bugs crawling everywhere, don't it, Polly?
She's
No,
guilty.
Oh, they went back under there. That's what goes where he wants. That's what goes where he wants, Mama, doesn't he?
Let it go, Alex, put it back down. She's looking where it went.
It's over here, Polly. Dumb catch you.
Way to go!
Over, yeah, there. I'm not a very smart cat.
Watch her.
Chewbacca's have brown under arms and legs.
Chewbacca's. Tell us all about the Chewbacca lemur.
Look at her biting that.
What is it, Pa? Is that some crazy bug you found?
Blazing. Watch this.
There's two of them down there.
For hours of enjoyment.
Oh, I wish they hit her in the foot. Oh, that and try to do a tailspin. You're on top of it there. You'll crush it. Thank you, Alex. Well, I thought she was going to do something a little more special than this, but it's got her fascinated at least. Whoa! What scared you, Pa?
My cough.
No, it wasn't your cough.
She's watching them boo things.
You never seen a bug like that before, have you, Polly? Where'd it go? It's not over there anymore. You can't keep up with him. What kind of cat are you?
Oh, my Lord, it went in a crack.
Well, get it out.
Get it?
It's in a crack. I can't even get it out. My Lord. Let's get the crab.